Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we celebrate beauty and fashion for women of all ages. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's sure to inspire all of you with round faces, for all of you girls and especially if you're over 40. We'll be looking at the best haircuts that will not only flatter your face shape but also highlight your unique features. Whether you're looking for a fresh new look or just some ideas for your next salon visit, you've come to the right place. So pour yourself a cup of tea, settle in, and let's get started. Let's begin by talking about the unique beauty of a round face. A round face is often characterized by soft, rounded features with a lack of sharp angles. The width and length of a round face are typically similar, and the cheeks are usually the fullest part of the face. This face shape exudes youthfulness and softness, but it can sometimes be challenging to find a haircut that doesn't accentuate the roundness too much. The key to finding the perfect haircut for a round face lies in creating the illusion of length and angularity. By doing so, you can add dimension and structure to your features, making your face appear more oval and balanced. This is particularly important as we age, because our faces naturally lose some of their youthful contours. The right haircut can do wonders in maintaining a fresh and vibrant look. One of the most flattering haircuts for a round face is a style that features a high top with shorter strands hanging down. This haircut adds volume at the crown, lifting the hair at the roots and creating a more elongated silhouette for the face. By drawing attention upwards, you can balance the softness of a round face with a more structured appearance. High-top hairstyles are versatile and can be customized to suit your personal style, whether you prefer something sleek and polished or more relaxed and tousled. Layers are another great addition to this style. By incorporating layers, you add movement and depth to your hair, which can break up the roundness of the face. For instance, a high-top layered cut not only frames the face beautifully but also adds a touch of sophistication and chicness that's perfect for women over 40. Layers are especially beneficial as they can give the hair a lighter, more voluminous appearance, which is ideal if your hair has started to thin with age. Moving on to another fantastic option, the classic bob haircut is a timeless choice that works wonderfully for round faces. However, it's important to choose the right type of bob to avoid accentuating the roundness of your face. The ideal bob for a round face should feature longer strands in the front that fall below the chin. This elongates the face and helps create a more oval shape, which is universally flattering. To enhance this effect, you can add texture and volume to the bob. Soft waves or curls can introduce a dynamic element to your hairstyle, giving it more personality and flair. A textured bob can be incredibly versatile, allowing you to style it in various ways depending on the occasion. Whether you prefer a sleek, straight look or something more playful with waves, a bob can be adapted to reflect your style and mood. For women over 40, a bob is also a low-maintenance option that can easily be styled with minimal effort, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Plus, it's a great way to keep your hair looking healthy and vibrant, as the regular trims needed to maintain a bob can help eliminate split ends and promote overall hair health. Now, if you're someone who loves to make a bold statement, the pixie haircut might be just what you're looking for. The pixie cut is a daring and edgy option that can bring out the natural beauty of a round face by emphasizing your eyes and cheekbones. This short haircut adds a sense of brightness and expressiveness to your face, making your features stand out in the best possible way. The pixie cut is also incredibly versatile, despite its short length. You can play around with different textures, whether you want to go for a sleek and polished look or something more tousled and carefree. The great thing about a pixie cut is that it can be tailored to suit your personality and lifestyle. If you want something more sophisticated, opt for a sleek, side-parted pixie. If you're feeling more adventurous, try a spiky or asymmetrical pixie for a fun and modern twist. A pixie cut can also be an excellent way to showcase your hair's natural color or even experiment with new shades. For women over 40, the pixie cut is not only chic but also practical. It's easy to maintain, and the short length can give your hair a healthier, more youthful appearance. But what if you're not ready to go super short? Bangs could be the perfect middle ground. Bangs can work wonders for round faces, adding angularity and helping to create the illusion of an oval face shape. The key is to choose the right style of bangs. Avoid blunt, straight-across bangs, as they can make the face appear shorter and wider. Instead, opt for bangs with an angular or oblique finish. Side-swept bangs are particularly flattering for round faces because they draw the eye diagonally across the face, which can help to lengthen the appearance of the face. Wispy bangs are another great option, as they add a soft, feminine touch while still providing the angularity needed to balance a round face. Bangs can also be a great way to experiment with your look without committing to a drastic haircut. They can easily be grown out or styled differently as your mood or style changes. For women over 40, bangs can provide a youthful lift to your overall look, softening any lines on the forehead and bringing attention to your eyes. Plus, they can be styled in various ways to suit different occasions, whether you're going for a casual, everyday look or something more polished for a special event. Before we wrap up, I want to mention a few tips for maintaining these hairstyles, especially for women over 40. As we age, our hair can change in texture and thickness, so it's important to use the right products to keep your hair looking its best. A good volume volumizing shampoo and conditioner can help maintain the lift and fullness of your haircut, while a lightweight mousse or styling cream can add texture and hold without weighing your hair down. Regular trims are essential to keep your hairstyle looking fresh and to prevent split ends, which can make your hair look dull and lifeless. If you're dealing with thinning hair, consider using a root lifting spray or powder to add volume at the crown. And don't forget to protect your hair from heat damage if you're using styling tools like flat irons or curling wands. Using a heat protectant spray can help preserve the health of your hair and keep it looking shiny and vibrant. As we conclude today's video, I hope you found some inspiration for your next haircut. Remember, the best haircut is one that makes you feel confident, beautiful, and true to yourself. Whether you opt for a high top style, a classic bob, a bold pixie, or chic bangs, the most important thing is that you love the way you look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more beauty and fashion tips, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear what hairstyle you're thinking of trying next. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep shining.